In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build scalable systems in Airtable for your team or business. Start by logging in on your desktop and opening the base where you'll build. If you already have data, no problem. We'll add structure without disrupting what works. Before touching tables, map your core processes. Note the areas you must manage: client management, project and task management, deliverables and approvals, and reporting and metrics. This simple blueprint guides how you design tables, fields, and workflows. Create a table for each area. Use clients for contact info, status, and key communications. Projects holds deadlines, milestones, and scope. Tasks captures assignments, priorities, and due dates. Deliverables stores files, approval steps, and completion tracking. Metrics or KPIs summarizes performance and progress. Link-related records so projects roll up their tasks and tasks reference the client they serve. Define your fields clearly and consistently so the base scales cleanly. Choose single select for statuses or categories. Collaborator for ownership. Date for deadlines, and attachment for files. Add formula fields for calculated metrics or conditional logic. Consistency reduces errors and makes automation straightforward. Create standardized views that mirror your workflow. Build focused views for pending, in progress, and completed tasks. A high priority projects view, and client or team specific views so people see only what matters. Next, build automations to eliminate manual steps. Automatically assign tasks when a project is created. Notify stakeholders as deadlines approach, and update statuses or progress when inputs change. Around this point, use the link to Airtable at the top of the description to access the website and follow along with the setup as you implement. Make the system responsive with conditional logic. Use formulas to highlight overdue or high priority tasks, calculate project completion percentages, and trigger notifications when key conditions are met. Bring everything together with dashboards and reporting. Track project and task progress, monitor KPIs, and spotlight bottlenecks so decision makers get real-time insight. Test the entire flow with sample clients, projects, and tasks. Confirm automations fire, formulas calculate correctly, and dashboards show accurate data. Then train your team by sharing the right views and dashboards, clarifying responsibilities, and demonstrating how automations support their day-to-day work. Finally, maintain and scale. Review tables, automations, formulas, and dashboards regularly and refine them as your workflows evolve or your team grows. That's how you can build scalable systems in Airtable using best practices, structured workflows, and smart automations to grow your team or business efficiently. Thanks for watching.